right?
So this belt is for your transfer arm belt.
Yep.
So again, spare. The longer heaters, longer length, they are for bottom seal and zipper seal.
Okay.
The shorter heaters, they are for your side seals.
Gotcha.
So zipper crush, side seal 1, side seal 2.
Okay.
I do not know where it goes. I think it's something else because this is a little bit shorter than what other heaters you are. And I know you don't have any other heater.
Yeah.
So you just have two. But
These sets right here, generally from your experience, when will I know that they need to be replaced?
you will see that the temperature is showing too much high or too much low.
Got it. So it's
And
moving
then-
out of the range too much.
And then when you go and check the electrically, either it's short circuited or either lost its continuity, so you replace it.
And these are just simply plug in, right?
So the block,
Uh-huh.
simply plug in would be different. Yeah. Now let's talk about that. In future, if you want to take off any heater, okay?
Yep.
Now sealers are a little bit what they are setup thing. So you should not move the setup.
Okay.
Now, if for example the heater inside this block is damaged, if you want to take it off, what you do, you take off just the back bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Do not touch the inside one.
Because those are fixed weights.
Those are the reference when you're gonna put the back. So you take the whole block out.
Yep.
Take the tooling plate. When you take the tooling plate out, you have 2 bolts. You take it off, open the heater cartridge, put the new heater cartridge, and then put the whole thing
Are
back.
there any wires you need to connect? Or you just put the cartridge in?
So this is the connector for heater. So each heater has a heating element power
Got it.
and an RTD.
I see.
So quick disconnect is you open it
Yep.
and you open it.
Gotcha.
So that way you take whole thing out, and then wiring you can do it how it was.
The replacement heating elements, they already have this wire, and do I use the existing wire?
No, they already have the
They already
wiring.
have them. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I understand.
So all heater replacement are like that, similar.
Okay.
It's a whole block. You have to take the whole thing out, open it, and put it back. Again, never touch the inside bolts. They are the reference bolts.
Understand.
Just unloose the outers.
Okay.
Okay. So these are your RTDs. I think they are 4.
Okay. And these go where?
On all the heaters.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
I know which one. Those
the
are the
arteries.
arteries. Okay.
Yes. This is your spare knife,
Okay.
and this is your moving knife, and this is your constant knife. So if I show you on the machine, you want to come from here.
Yeah.
This is your moving knife,
Yep.
and this is your fixed knife.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
So in future, obviously, it's going to wear out. So you can take these bolts out and replace and put
Do
it
they
back.
tend to wear out about the same time, or they one could?
If you are
this
going
one
to
could-
change anything, you change both.
Yeah, it's kind of like breaks.
Right.
The
Yeah.
count. Okay.
And then if you can send your old knife for resharpening too.
Yeah, because it's only going to get
Correct.
dull. It's
Yes.
not, so it can just be resharpened.
Yes.
Okay.
These are your Teflons.
Okay. This is what I have for now, right?
Yeah. So this is. I think they are all of them are pre-cut.
Got it. Do we need to change anything now, or which?
If you want to, we can do it. But you tell me.
Well, I think it might be nice to see you change like one
do it.
set, and then that way I can always show Alex the video as we need to change the rest of them. Okay.
Okay. I don't know what is this, but these are all tools, like extra tools, the wrenches,
Okay.
the wrenches,
Yeah,
the pliers.
these are all the ones that we're going to need for any
Yes,
sort of a.
yes, yes. Now, how your side seals are 16 millimeters.
Yes.
So these are the cooling plates, because cooling plate is fixed. You
Right.
bolt in, so it's that.
Okay.
For the
So right
different
now
size.
we're set up for 20, right?
Yes.
Okay. So if we change our plates for the zipper to for the side seals to the 16, this also has to be changed. Okay.
Or my experience is it's a cool bar, so even if you keep the wider one, it's fine.
Okay.
Because eventually it's just gonna cool it.
So the 20 will work also on the
60. Yeah. So again, this is another set of Teflon.
Okay.
This is the rubber. I think it's you just have one spare, so it's either on cool. So if you see on back side, there is one rubber,
Yes, I see it.
and even on side seal 1 and 2, there is back rubber here and one is here.
Okay.
So if any of them get damaged or come out, you can replace them.
Okay. Got it.
And the hole punches, you have one set of die extra.
So this is for the
Bottom hole, yeah.
bottom punch, right? And they're only one size, right?
You that's what. Now that day when you mentioned you want to run smaller gusset, you get different size also.
Got it.
Like a smaller
What
hole.
size is the one that we
I
have?
think this is 16 millimeter.
Okay.
I think so. Yeah, you get 12 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 12.
Okay.
So that way.
So the smaller the gusset, yeah. So this would be, like if we did if I order the part for the 1 inch gusset,
Right.
I have to get a smaller punch.
Punch,
Because this will be too big, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's only 12 and a half.
Correct.
There's
And then you always keep a room. If your side seal is at 20,
yeah.
then you put 16 millimeter. But then you have room 2 millimeter. If
Yeah.
your side seal is 16, then you have to put a smaller, because for 16 side seal you cannot put 16 hole, because even if the hole moves a little bit here and there, you'll have a leak.
Can I even use my 16 on my side seal right now?
But hole punches you need to get 16. I don't know smaller.
Yeah, but so I'm just saying. So even though I have the side seal at 16, I won't be able to use it on here.
We have to verify what hole punches you have. This one.
Yeah, let's confirm that.